when I turned this video on, I was like shocked because the CTR on Facebook, like CTR, link CTR, after 10,000 impressions, it was like 20%. And I was like, what the hell? We have like, at the very beginning, we have a killer video. So my father, he placed, it's called trail cam. So it's trail cam, it's a camera that he put on a tree trunk. Yeah. And when there is a movement, it starts recording.
Motion sensor. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. So we have like very cool video. I mean, very amateur looking, but when I turned this video on, I was like shocked because the CTR on Facebook, like CTR, link CTR, not like all, but like how many people actually saw that. And after 10,000 impressions, it was like 20%. And I was like, what the hell, you know? It was like, I couldn't believe my eyes. I thought it's fake. And then when the orders start hitting in, it was like, I mean, I called my dad and I was like, I think it was like Sunday. And I asked him, like, did you saw how many orders are in the Shopify? Yeah, no worries. We'll do this, like, I mean, in ClickFunnels. No worries. We'll do this, like, tomorrow. And in, like, 2 hours, he called me back and he was like, I don't know how we will do this. Because, I mean, I'm alone. We don't have any products, the packaging. We didn't have anything, you know, because everything was, like, more or less just a kind of a joke, you know.